I know you guys are gonna kill me because I introduce new things all the time. Luxe Black Discovery Kit. Because why? Because we finished out of the $99 one. Now we got something new. It's all about the dark black. All this, okay? I'm gonna go one by one. I'm gonna make it real quick. It starts with our Lacquer box candle with the Luxe Black Kashmiri Spice. Look, the hinge. Look. All this is all. What do you call? Lacquer, hand lacquered. Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, all this is gonna be for $250, but you gotta see what you're getting. That's one. Number two, you are getting the Ultra Luxe Reed Diffuser in gardenia. And they are wrapped. Look how beautifully they are wrapped. This is all hand done, okay? And then we wrap it just like this. Look how beautiful, okay? Then you've got our Project X fragrance. Amazing. Just watch the videos. You'll see what they say. They all are like, oh, I can't believe it. It's fantastic, okay? Then on top of that, you're getting 3 of these tins. Three. Not 1, not 2, 3. And then you're getting our, what do you call? Our mobile fragrance in Orange Blossom. All this, okay? Plus our mattress, plus there's a special discount code that comes once you get all this, so that on your next purchase, you got something special to go buy. So, recap. This alone is $200. Alone, okay? You're getting all this for $250. The Reed Diffuser is $50. The tins are $15 each. The fragrance is $58. It's just too much. I know. But look at that. This is the killer. This is the killer piece. Okay, maybe that's not the killer. This is the killer piece. Maybe if you don't like this killer piece, this is the killer piece. By the way to make a fragrance, to make uber fresh on your skin, one behind the ear, you spray like that. Look at the mist, beautiful mist. Oops, and then you put it on top. You just walk out. And if nobody says, you smell fantastic, I give you the refund. This is the to die for. This has been in the vault for 30 years by the master perfumer, which I am not allowed to tell you who it is. But the vault has been opened. $250. It's not that bad, okay? What are you getting? All this. You keep that, you gift that, you keep that, and then, or you hoard. You get 2 and you hoard 1. This is the time. We always come with something new. And stay tuned. Midnight Mystery coming up.